Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Equal sign.
What does the dictionary say?
The symbol, equals, used in a mathematical expression to indicate that the terms it separates are equal.
Math rap.
Like two floating sticks in the air, one hovers exactly over the other with care. It means that what is to its left and to its right is the same amount or value, day or night.
Math rap.
Explain equal signs in your own words. Put one forearm hovering over the other and yell, "Equal sign!" Repeat 3 times. Do it to a friend. Start a trend. What careers need to have everything equal by the end of the day? If there was a movie character that closest equaled you, which character would it be and why? What traits do you share? Create 5 different math equations that equal 12. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!